All right, let's start out with a look at the traffic here in the FM area. It's a sizzling hot day. This is I-94 and the westbound lanes as we approach the tri-level area. Pretty slowed up area. Accident on the side of the scenes there. So drive with care, maybe find another route. As we take a look at our temperature, you want the air conditioner working well. 89 degrees outdoors right now. It's a dry heat. That humidity down at 20%, and winds are gusting to only 18 miles per hour, but providing maybe a little relief from the heat of the afternoon here in the FM area. As we take a look elsewhere, we have temperatures that are close to 90 for many of our southern counties along and south of Interstate 94. To the north, it cools off a bit. It's 80, though, in Badette, and 82 up there at Cavalier. 79, the cool spot in Devil's Lake. Here is a look at the radar, and all of us very quiet until we look low and to the right here. Some thunderstorms developing near Grant County are pushing off to the south and east. So as far as our early evening goes, there isn't one county with any weather concerns. Here's a look at your hour-by-hour forecast. It paints those thunder showers down to the south. They are exiting as we go through the evening. We'll stay hot and we'll stay quiet across the vast majority of the area. Overnight, here's what changes. Our wind becomes more southerly, and temperatures to start off will be in the 60s. The first half of the day will be delightful if you get a chance to take a walk in the park or head to lunch. Pretty pleasant outdoor conditions. Notice these arrows, the blue ones. 15 mile to 20 mile per hour winds from the south will start punching into our western counties by midday. Then heading into the afternoon, it gets downright gusty, particularly in our western counties. When Hutch's wind arrows turn yellow, they highlight the areas where we could see some gusts upwards of 40 miles per hour. At lunchtime, that's the Devil's Lake Basin. Devil's Lake itself, choppy waters for sure, and it begins getting breezy everywhere and hot. We're talking temperatures soaring into the mid-90s for a few isolated locations. The gusty winds preceding a cold front that's going to be making its way through the region. Thunderstorms, well, the best chance of those tomorrow night will be far out to the west, but northeast North Dakota, northwest Minnesota, a chance at some late evening and overnight storms. And that sets the stage for what we can all expect on Saturday. Relief from the heat and changes indeed. 64 to start your day in Fargo on your Friday. Look how many hours we'll spend in the 90s or near 90s from the midday hour all the way into the mid-evening. It looks like a sizzler out there. 89 in Langdon and in Jamestown. Again, a chance for a late evening thunderstorm in northeast North Dakota. Temperatures in the mid and upper 80s across Lakes Country. But the winds will make the water appear less glass-like than this photo captured by Diane. This is 10 Mile Lake at sunset. It's a beauty. Thanks, Diane, for uploading your photo. All right, here's how Friday into Saturday pans out. Those gusty winds, the cold front will be making its way into the region. Our region's best chance, including Fargo's, of showers and thunderstorms will be on Saturday. And a few of those could be potent with some sizable hail as we go through Saturday afternoon and into Sunday. We'll lose a significant amount of temperature as we go into Sunday as well, with a peak near 70 degrees. That's significantly cooler. Next week, we stay on the cool side with another chance of some showers and storms, primarily on Tuesday. So if the heat is getting to you, hold tight. There's relief right around the corner.
Yeah, not so much me, but everyone else out there, right? Who I say bring on the heat, but
yes,
you know, everyone else likes.
Everybody has their own
They
favorite.
do, don't they?
Yes.
Thanks, Hutch.